Manapon, kamusta everybody? Scott expat in the Philippines. The concrete's been lifted. These are going to be turned around. Very snowy. And the Rio will sit on top of that. So where the dark is underneath the step there is where the concrete will go right around. These black rubber foam things to cushion the cement, so if it moves it won't move the posts. And as you can see, the holes will be for when they pour the cement, and the cement's going to go up to the top of that timber, the wooden planks, all the way up to the top there and around the corner. All these little cone things will be tipped up onto the gravel, and the pointy end will be facing up towards me, which will lift up the Rio all the way up. So the cement will go in there, which will cause a block, and it won't move. So basically, once all the cement's poured and pours into that hole, it will not move forward to the fence. But it is a pretty square footing and pretty long and wide area. And every post has got the cushioning on it, so the rubber with tape around it, and that's supposed to stop any movement in the cement. The spouting will be put on last, so all the poles are straight, which is good. So Snowy's bed, I've got to bring that back in so it doesn't get wet. As you can see, she's laying there. Oh, I want my dinner, Daddy. But I let her out from the back, out the laundry. She come around here and she stood on the Rio. I don't think she liked it too much. Anyway, and it'll go up level with the garage door and the side garage door. We're going to put the swing over near there when it goes back. So that's an update. This is going to be ready to be poured on Friday. And Adam will be back Friday to pour the cement. Then Saturday he'll come in and cut the grooves in the cement. So yeah, looking good so far, guys. Back Friday.